This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs renewal. Pull the bonnet release handle located in the driver's footwell. Release the safety catch and raise the bonnet. Lower the bonnet and close it securely. Working in the engine compartment, remove the plastic cover from the rear of the headlight. Turn the bulb holder anti-clockwise and withdraw it from the light unit. Carefully pull the bulb from the holder. Gently press the new bulb into the holder, then locate the bulb holder in the light unit. Turn the bulb holder clockwise to secure, then refit the plastic cover. Lower the bonnet and close it securely.